My name is Dr. Mike. I am originally from New York City, born and raised, and I am about to open up a dental practice. I finished college and moved 1,800 miles across the country to Lubbock, Texas, in the middle of nowhere. I went there because honestly, that's the place that paid me the most, and I had really large school loans, and I think I needed a change in my life, and so I ended up in Houston, and fortunately, a lot of my friends from dental school ended up there too. That's where I started being an associate. That's where I really started to see what direction I planned to go, and the employees weren't happy. You know, we were very rushed into doing a lot of things. For me personally, it just wasn't the environment in which I wanted to do dentistry. I learned that dentistry just can't pound out. You have to have your heart into it. You have to get to know the person behind what you're doing. Your employees have to be happy. You have to have a good work culture. You have to have all these things that are so important, that are in theory outside of the scope of dentistry, if you're talking about dentistry of just looking at a tooth. I just wanted a small practice. It was just going to be me. I wasn't going to plan to have an associate. I feel like I speak to a lot of dentists and they go, yeah, no, being a practice owner is terrible, don't do it. But then I look at their practices, look at the way that everything is run, and I go, yeah, of course, this is terrible. But because of Ideal Practices, I am able to, really get that important knowledge that will make things more organized, that will make things easier for me. I was put in the right direction in how to run a business. In dental school, we've never been taught that. I needed somebody to hold my hand throughout the entire process, so that's why I thought hiring a consultant would be a good thing. I've had to be more organized, more focused. I've had to have a broader understanding of what my vision was, and those were all important in developing my practice, and Ideal Practices definitely helped facilitate all of that throughout selecting the contractors, equipment suppliers, everything from having my back to advertising, just really everything, that entire process. Right now, I'm going to be opening my practice in about 3-4 days. I'm a little tired, albeit, but I feel great. Before I was going to have a small office. Now, I have 6 rooms ready. I don't want to be 10 years down the line, having to change my location or anything like that, because I didn't think of the future when I had originally planned it. And I think that's probably another good thing about going through how to open a dental practice, just because they've done this so many times. So just by virtue of experience, I want to make this a place where employees can work and they are happy and they feel fulfilled and they don't feel like they're stressed coming to work. My parents are actually coming in, I think, 3 weeks or so. And when they see it, I'm pretty sure my dad's gonna cry. I've only seen him cry one other time, but I'm pretty sure he'll be feeling it pretty heavily, just because he would always tell me and my brother, this is the reason why I came to this country, so you guys could have a better life. And for me to kind of live out, what he had always wanted, I'm sure, means a lot to him. But because of Ideal Practices, I think since I'm on the right foot from the get-go, I just had to do what they told me to do. And it's been a lot of hard work, but I'm just so grateful for that they're able to make it as easy as possible for me.